Hello, guys. Welcome to our afternoon live streaming session. Sorry, we are holding this late. We are holding this later than our usual time, which is 2 p.m. Okay, we had little um technical issues. All right. So, guys, today is Monday. Let's make money. Let's make money. This is the session where we analyze the market together and then play straight together. All right. So today is Monday, guys. Go and fund the account. All right. Go and fund your account, guys. So this morning we took some trade. We took some trade on our premium group, and one has already run into profit. Okay, so guys, I keep telling you guys, fund the account, come and join my premium group, but when I say no, so I'll just show you a snippet of what we made this morning. Look at this. All right. So look at the trade we took. This is one of the trades. All right. The other ones haven't triggered yet. And I'm very sure they are going to get triggered and then they are going to go into profit. Guys, this is about $7 plus. Yeah. So go and fund your account. Okay. Fund your account. Let's make this together. All right. Just imagine making this daily. Okay. Or maybe with just a trade, you made this. And I'm giving nothing less than 3 trades. Okay. I give at least 3 trades in a day. So just imagine, even if you could make this and then maybe one other trade, all right? Imagine the profit before the weekend. So guys, all of this is for your own good. Join my premium group. Let's make this money together. Money day for us, all of us know. All right? But you know that adage, that popular Nigeria adage that says, follow who know road. Okay? Follow who know road so that they go fit show you road. Guys, follow me. Let's make money together. All right? And for you to join my premium group, all you have to do is just go to the chat room, click on that banner. There's a banner on top of the chat room. Okay, click on that banner. Um, the click on that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. All right. So if you click on that banner, it's going to take you to where you can fund your account. So fund your account with at least $10 or $15. Now let me give you a scope. Okay. If you fund $10, I'm going to add you to my group for just 2 weeks. That is 14 days. All right. But if you fund the account with up to $15, then you will be there for a month. All right. So guys, I will advise you to fund up to $15 so that you can stay there for a month. Okay, if you are there for just 2 weeks, in the next 2 weeks you still have to fund up to another $10 to still be active on the group. So why not just fund $15 and then be inside the group for a month? All right. So guys, that's the scope. That's the scope. Let's look for opportunities and take trades. All right. Though some of my analysis has started playing out, but no worries, we'll get another one. All right. We'll definitely get another one. GBP. Okay, so let me start from the AUD PS since they are on top and they are the first. So let's start with them. Yeah, guys, go and get your account ready. Go and get your account ready. So what is going on here? What's going on here? Okay, let's go to the 3 hours time frame. Let's see if the market is okay. So we already have this. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame to see if we have a change of character. I've told you guys severally, um, nobody should ask me question on change of character. If you want to learn my strategy, I use the ICT strategy. That is the SMC way. I use the SMC strategy. That is the ICT way of trading. Okay. So if you want to learn my strategy, fund the account with at least $200. Okay. So if you fund up to $200, I'm going to give you a chance. Okay. You're going to have a one-on-one session with me where I'll be making detailed explanation on how I make analysis using SMC. Okay, I don't want anybody asking me, what do you mean by gap? What do you mean by fair value gap? What do you mean by other block? All right, that is my strategy. Though I give snippet of it on my evening sessions. So if you come to my evening session, I'm sure you must have grabbed one or two things. Okay, even though you are a professional. Okay, you must have grabbed one or two things because I always, point out those things, showing you where the uh, change of character is, the break of structure, and stuff like that. So if you are an active member of my evening session, you must have gotten a snippet. So guys, let's continue. Let's continue. Let's look for opportunity to take entry. All right. So this is actually a good opportunity, and this is just starting out. But we also have this gap that the market could possibly come to fill. So we want to be careful with any entry that we are taking today because today is Monday. Okay. So on Mondays like this, the market would usually want to close gaps. Right. It will want to close gaps. So it's already closing this gap. Okay, you see this movement. All of this happened today. All right, this happened. All of this happened today. You see, it happened today. So we want to be careful with our entries. Right. So this gap here is already filled. This gap is filled. You see, the market is going down. Let's see what is going to happen. Let's go to more lower time frame. Okay, so we have another gap around this zone. Yeah, I think this is filled also because we have this. Let's just draw something this way. Let's draw this. Yes, it's filled. Okay, it took 50% of this. That's good for me. This is good. This is good entry. So if this market is coming up now, there are two things that the market could possibly do. Maybe this market is coming to actually um, fill more gaps because we have gaps aside this gap. We have this other gap around this area, and the market could come to fill this gap. So you might just use all of this area as a fake out. Okay, it will just go out, fake out, and then continue to go down. Right. So that is why we want to be very careful because of what has happened when the market opened. Okay, the market will close for the weekend, and then during the weekdays is going to open back, and they start moving. So the movement is always shady. And then I think today we have bank holiday in the US, so uh, market is going to be very slow. Okay, the market is going to be like very slow. So yes, we have US and Canada. Okay, they are all on bank holiday, and there's no major movement in the market today. So with all of this information, we want to be very careful with the kind of trades we place today. All right, it's very important. Right. So on Mondays, if I don't see a clear opportunity, most of the times I don't even take trade. Okay, if I'm not able to get a very clear opportunity for entry, I don't enter for trade. Right. So you see these huge gaps. The market is going to go back there to close these gaps. All right. So this was set from last week, and it didn't trigger. Okay, I think this was on Thursday. Yeah, this is on Thursday. Whether either Wednesday or Thursday, I guess. Right? It didn't trigger. The market just keeps going down. Okay, I set it here. I said it was going to trigger from this gap, but the market never got to the gap. It just reacted to this other block around this area, this gap around this area. Okay, so it just reacted to this, and then the market continue its downtrend. So this is not a new thing in the market. Yes, you will not get 100% movement. Okay, sometimes the market will just show you or make you believe that it's going to go, your way, and then it will just go the way he wants to go. So, guys, that is it. Okay, um, let's make proper analysis and see if we can get an entry. Yeah. So we have internal liquidities here. This is AUDNZD. Okay. Let's delete all of this and let's go to the higher time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see what the market is doing. Yes. Okay. So let's see if we have a major rejection zone ahead. Yes. Yes, we do. We do actually. Yes, 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 yes. This is beautiful, yeah. So when there's a major rejection, major movement like this, the market would, most of the times want to come back into um, the fair value gap before the market continues its trend. So I believe um, this situation is actually, um, what is happening right now is that kind of situation. Okay. Okay. So let me just finish my analysis on the daily time frame, and then we are going to head down to see if there's, an entry for us. Yeah. Okay. So we had this. Yes, we had that. We had this huge fair value gap. Okay. This gap. See how the market reacted from this gap, and then it started to go up. Okay. Yeah. It touched our support zone. Okay. So we have another zone around here. We have another one I believe the market could go down to, and then make a reversal from there. Then we have this huge gap. Okay, we have this huge gap. So let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame and see if we can make it a bit smaller. Yes. So that's a good entry, guys. Right? That's a very good entry. And yeah, I love this. I kind of love this because we have liquidity here. Okay, guys, I've explained what liquidity is more than once. I think more than 10 times. If you want to know more about liquidity and the smart money concept, go and fund your accounts. Okay. So I think I should do a promo this week also. I think I should do a promo this week. So this is a change of character. The market is already on this fair value gap. Okay. Yes. So this is the kind of setup I love. Okay. See this setup. This is the kind of setup that gives goosebumps. Okay. This is the kind of setup. No, sorry, they don't give goosebumps. They make you feel happy. No, it is when you are tense that you get goosebumps. Yeah. All right. So yes, we have this setup. We have this setup, and we are currently waiting on it. We want the market to get to this area and then see what is going to happen. Right? Yes. So this is set. Right? So we have that, and the market is currently approaching it. We have that. Market is approaching it. All right. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see this better, clearer. So if you know how to use the ICT way of trading, it will be very beneficial for your forex trading journey. Yeah, it will be very beneficial because you see this thing, forex trading, no be beans. You understand? Forex trading, no be beans. So in order for you to be able to, do all of this yourself, you need a lot of training. Okay. Yes. Okay. So we had that. We had that. So let's just go to another, pair. Let's make analysis on another pair because right now we have this setup. We have what we're actually waiting for, right? We want this market to go down all the way to this area, and then we're going to check if we have an entry. Okay. So this is currently making its way to the upside. Um, yes, this is a good market also because this market has rejected, you know, several areas. Um, that give us the confirmation that the market is on downtrend. Okay. Change of character. Okay, so we've had this, previously. We've had this where the market came all the way down to retest our block, and then the market shoot up. Okay. Then we had this also. The market mitigated all of this level. Then we had this level, you know, mitigated. So the market, took a deep dive into this, right? Retesting this area. And that is how the market moved to the upside. So right now the market is all right. So yes, let me just do this. So guys, one of the things that you need to know as a forex trader is you need to be able to tell the story of the chart. Okay, we have what we call chart story, right? You need to be able to explain what is going on, all right, so that you not just be taking blind trades. You want to, you know, be able to say this is what the market has done in the past, and this is what the market is going to do again. So that way, you are able to, identify the next move the market is going to be making. All right. So we have quite a move already. We have quite a move the market has made earlier. So I believe there's a change of character there because we have this huge gap, and the market is currently heading to the upside. Okay, so is the market is here now, Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. So we have this gap around this area that the market could come down to retest. Yes. I'm not using this because the market has already, reacted from this gap. So you see the market was coming up, but immediately it got to this area. You see what happened? The market came down. Okay. Actually, there's nothing down here for this market anymore. Um, and as we can see from as you can see from our overall trend, the market is actually making a higher high. Okay, so that means this market is changing direction to the upside. So what we should be looking for right now is an uptrend market. Doesn't mean that we can't get a downtrend, yeah, but it would just be better to look for trend that aligns with the market direction, right? And the trend that align is a buy trend. So as I've said, doesn't mean that we can't take a sell opportunity. Um, but the thing is, we want to be very careful with ourselves, all right? You don't want to go too far. So if you are risking one to make two, that is good enough, all right? So, guys, AUD USD, okay? Um, this is the 15-minute time frame, and I hope the market will get here before our end, before the end of our live session, so that I can, show you guys if the market is going to reverse. Then we are going to place the trade together, okay? But as I've said, today is Monday, and I don't want to give out sell limits, right? Because the market is going to be very shady today. I'm not saying it's not possible to make money on Monday. It is very possible. And you saw the screenshot I showed you guys, the money we made from the premium group, yeah? But the thing is, on Mondays like this, you want to be careful with the market movement, okay? You want to be careful. You want to analyze the market very well. Let the market get to where the market is heading to. Okay, let the market get there, show you that it's reversing before you actually take any entry. It's very important. Okay, if the market is not showing you entry, please stay away from it. Okay, so you see how this market reacted from this gap here. See how it reacted from this gap. See, the market went all the way down. Okay, so that is the gap reaction. That is the 1 hour time frame. That's the 1 hour time frame. So the market came back up to react from this gap, and then the market continues to go down. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame and see what happened when the market got there. So even though we had a gap, sometimes we had to refine the gap. Okay, we have this gap here, we have this small one here. So I always go for the premium or the discounted one. So you guys, we start getting confused over the terms I'm using. But I'm sorry. This is how I could do it for you guys to actually understand. Okay. And then, as I've said, if you want to learn my strategy, if you want to learn how to use my strategy, please go and fund the account. Okay. Okay. So I talked about having a promo here. So guys, let's do this. I'm going to teach my SMC strategy to the first 5 people that fund their account in this live stream. Okay. So let's say from now till the evening session, if I'm able to get 5 people, okay. So the time start now, right? If you have already funded your account, don't worry. You are going to be on my checklist. If you haven't funded, go and fund. So if I'm able to get 10 people funding their accounts, then I'm going to teach that 10 how to make analysis using the SMC strategy. All right. So we have liquidity, we have change of character. The market went up, came all the way to this area, and then give us an entry. All right. You see what I told you guys? The market on Mondays would always make correctional movement. Okay. So any uncompleted move the market, made on Friday, the market is going to try to continue making it today, or better still, complete the movement. Okay. And that is what is currently happening on the market. Okay. So let's just wait for the market to come down a bit and see what we could do, right? But I know this always also came to retest this. It hasn't gone up ever since. So let's go to the 5 minute time frame and see if we can actually, you know, pinpoint an entry. So the market had earlier make this move. Yes. And what happened? The market went up. Now the market is heading to that area again. So, all right. So, so we have liquidity here. Then we have this change of character. And what happened? The market came back to retest our area and then sold to the downside. Okay. So guys, you see how sweet my SMC strategy is. Very sweet and very profitable. Right? The fact is, no strategy, no failed strategy. Okay, every strategy is good. The only thing that matters is consistency. Okay, so if you are here and you are already a trader, uh, and maybe you are looking for different strategies to actually start making money, the truth is there's no 100% strategy. Okay, there's no holy grail. Holy grail. So what we have is what we use, right? What we have is, uh, a strategy that you just need to develop yourself on. Okay, because I know what happens when you are just starting out. You want to start making money using different method. All right. Whatever method you see, you want to use it. Some will even go as far as, buying indicator from indicator vendors. People like you and me that are just using indicator to scam people. All right. So even me myself, I myself, I've bought indicator from different vendors, and I just end up wasting my money. Okay. Though you won't know until you actually bought it. So it is when you buy, you figure out you've made mistake. Yeah. So this thing is not so hard. You just need the right guidance, and then you are good to go. Right. So you see how I just made analysis and see how the market is aligning. See how the market is actually aligning. Why did this market come down? The market came down because you see, we have this, and then the market came to retest it. And what happened? The market came all the way down. So guys, if you actually have any suggestion, any instruments you want me to make analysis on, please let me know. Right? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. See, I hate it when I'm the only one making analysis. Okay. I like it more, or I like it better if um, you guys are recommending. So if you have any recommendation, suggestion, please let me know. Okay. If you have recommendations or suggestions, please let me know. Yeah. Okay. So this is liquidity. Yeah. So for those of you that still don't understand what liquidity is, let me just make a brief explanation on liquidity. Okay. So in forex, we have what we call liquidity grab. Okay. That is when we have a high or a low where we thought the market is actually going to reverse from, but the market pulled down a bit to take people's stop loss before it actually starts to go that direction. Okay. Take this for example. Look at what happened. We have this low. Okay, the market created this low, came down, move up, created this low, went up, and what happened? So we're actually expecting this market to reverse from here, okay, and then continue to go up. But what happened? It took the low out before it continued to go up. So in this kind of situation, that means we have liquidity, right? And as an SMC trader, all I do is I wait for the liquidity to form. Okay, I wait for the liquidity to form before I actually enter for any position. So there's no liquidity, there's no other block around this area. There's no fair value gap. So I don't think this market is actually going to go down further. I think it's going to continue to go up. So all gaps have been filled, and the market is still trading to the upside. Right? So let's just wait and see what is going to happen. Because this could have been my entry point, my take profit level. Yeah, my take profit will be right here. My stop loss will be right above, right below this other block. So we can actually do it this way. Yes. All right. So this is 1:3, which means whatever we risk here, we are going to make multiple of it. All right. But let's just wait and see what the market is playing at. Yeah. In the meantime, let's make other analysis. Wow. All right. Okay. So okay. So you see, after this change of character, what happened? The market just came all the way up here to make this retest, sold down, okay, to this area, came here again, then sold down. So now we have this, and I strongly believe that this market is going to come here, okay, before it continues to go down. I strongly believe the market is going to make it, move to the downside to retest that before it continues, okay? Okay? So you see the market is, trading to the downside. And I think we can also have, because we have this point, we have this point, we have this point. So let's see if can have a trend line connecting those points together. Yes. You see, we have a break. We have a break to the downside. Okay. This is a support trend line, and the market already broke it and is going down. So I'm just going to wait for it test, and then possibly take an entry. Yeah. Yes. So this is how my entry is going to be. This is what it's going to be like. Budgeting this low as my stop loss, using this as my take profit. Okay. All right. So this is the GBP NZD. So last week I drew this out. I said the market was going to make a move. Though it didn't get to my entry, but you see how the market, reacted from this. And since the market is on downtrend, what we want to do here is, uh, mark out our areas of interest. You see, we are not even able to get an entry because, as I've said, today is Monday and the market will always make corrections. Okay, and again, we have the US and Canada bank holiday. So that is like the major markets are on holiday. Okay, and then there's no major move on the um, US GBP or Euro pairs. Okay, yes. Okay, so this is not it. Um, this should be it. Yes. Let me delete that and draw another one. Change of character, yes. So we have this change of character, and what happened? The market went back into this gap. See, traded from that gap, gave an entry, and the market has been coming down ever since. Yes. You see? So I could have targeted this gap, the lowest gap here. Guys, you see how sweet my strategy is? So this is how you could, make money using my strategy. All right? You see how the market came down. Like the market went down massively. Look at that. Okay, look at that, guys. So this is the SMC way of trading. Okay, the SMC strategy, smart money concept strategy, right? Okay, a strategy where you don't necessarily need to draw um, support resistance or even trend lines. Okay, see what I did here? I have my liquidity, I have my change of character, and then I just, look for where there's gap. Easy strategy, easy peasy. And the market reacted. Okay, so I had made an analysis from here, and the market is still trading inside. So let's leave that and look for another one. Yeah. Okay, so this is also respecting our trend line to the downside. It's respecting it. The market came here to retest this zone, and ever since the market has been going down. Okay, so we are in downtrend. We have these areas, we have these liquidity areas, we have areas where the market has rejected from previously. So we could just mark out these areas. Now, when the market comes back into it, it's going to trade from it. Yeah. Yes. Yes. So we have all these gaps filled. Yeah, we have a recent one that just happened. So the market can actually come back here to fill this gap and then continue to go down, right? So these are kind of opportunities that I'm marking out. Though the market is kind of bit slow, and you see it's not on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, just on the 30 minutes. But let's just mark it out. Okay, the market can still decide to come there before it goes down. And then it's also on the 1 hour time frame. Okay. Wow. This is an analysis I've made down previously, and the market is currently trading inside it. Okay. The market is currently trading inside. So let's see what is going to happen here. Okay. So yes. So we have a buy. Okay. I'm speculating for a buy entry here, and the market is currently here. Okay, it's inside this zone. Um, but trust me, this market is going to buy. Okay, why is because we have so many reasons for it to buy. Look at this. The market came all the way down to this area, give us a change of character around this here. The market K is coming back here to actually retest this zone before it continues its movement to the upside. Then, so I'm risking this trade, guys. If you want to risk it together, you can actually, place the trade also. And this is a risky trade, right? I told you we have bank holidays today, so we want to be very careful with entries. Yeah. So Okay. So this is going to be a sell trade. Trust me. But what the market is currently doing right now is, it's just a retest. Okay. So I think it's going to fill this gap. Okay, it's going back to fill this gap. Then after filling this gap, it's just going to continue to drop down. Yeah. So guys, come and join my premium group because you see, 1 hour is not enough. To analyze all the whole market and then just simply enter a trade. All right. So if you're on my premium group, we analyze the market together, and then when we get any setup that is a valid setup, we take it together. Okay, on the premium group. So that is why if you join my premium group, you get signals every day, every time. All right. So I do this the whole day, trying to get entries for my premium members. So this is the trade we took this morning, and I'm already out of it. But the market is still selling. Yeah, just came to retest this, and you see, it's selling. Wow. I think I drew this earlier before our session. Yes, and see how the market came down. Yeah. You see, I told you the market will always, go back to close gaps. You see how this market came all the way to close this gap, and see what is going on. So the market, I wish I got this. Um, so my stop loss would have been just right here. Take profit would have been below. Yes. So let's just continue. Yeah, let's continue. You see how it came to fill this gap also. So the market will always go to fill gaps. All right. These gaps are opportunities. So you see, I made this analysis this morning also, and the market is currently heading towards it. Yeah. So I'm also going to be waiting on this, see what happens. All right. Yeah, we have a we have a buy limit on this on our premium group. We have a buy limit, but I'm not going to give you guys the buy limit because I've already given it to my premium members. If you want to get that, go and fund your account. Fund your account with at least let me get fund your account with at least $10. All right. If you're able to fund $10, let me know, and then I'll add you to my premium member for just 2 weeks. Okay. But if you're able to fund $15, then you have the grace of joining for at least a month. Okay, you'll be there for 1 month, one whole month. Yeah. So that's it, guy. That's it. So right now I want to see what is going to be happening here. I'm able to get an entry. Yeah. Yes. So let's go to more lower time frame. Okay. So you see, so guys, we have just few minutes to the end of our live session. I think we have less than 4 minutes. But if we are able to get, a candle close below here, then we are going to take this entry. Okay. So this could be our lucky entry for today. This could be a lucky entry for today. Uh, so we have this breakup structure. We had another one here. Another breakup structure. Then instead of this market coming to make, um, another breakup structure, the market never got down. Okay. Just started going up from here. Then ever since then, the market has been trading. Yeah, we got this liquidity. That's beautiful. Is anytime I have liquidity in the market, I'm always happy. Okay, because it's another confirmation for me that the market will actually go my way. Right. So we have this. Okay. Then we have this also. It's a change of character. It's also a change of character. And see what is going on. The market, went straight up. So what I want to see here now is I want this market to actually come back to close these gaps. Okay. So if the market is going to go back to close the gaps, if it's going to go back from here, then we can actually do this. We don't want to go too far, right? We can do this. The target this high as our stop loss. Okay, so it could be like this. Yeah. So guys, let's just wait and see what is going to happen on this current candle. Okay. So this current candle is going to determine the fate of our entry for this trade. Okay. All right. So just 1 minute more to the closure of the 3 minute candle. Immediately I get a closure, we are going to sell instantly. GBP USD. Okay. So guys, get your account ready. Just go to GBP USD. I want to get a candle closure and then we sell immediately. Just few seconds to the end of the candle closure. few seconds. Let's see if this is going to close below. Okay, the market is retesting. We want to get a close below this. So if we get a close below, then we are going to take a sell entry. Yeah. So unfortunately, we didn't get a close below. Okay. So guys, we didn't get a close below, and the market is still trading to the upside. All right. So it was unfortunate that we couldn't get an entry on our live stream for today. Don't worry, I promise you guys, during the evening session, if we are able to get any setup, I'm gonna, give it to you guys. All right. So we've come to the end of this live stream for this afternoon. I'm gonna see you guys on the evening session coming around 7 o'clock. Okay, 7 p.m. this evening. So guys, if you are here, if you are just joining us for the first time and you don't know how all of these things works, okay, you don't know how to trade, you don't know what we are doing here, that class is for you. Okay, you don't want to miss that session. Okay, so that is the session where I'm making detailed explanation on what is currently happening and how you can start doing all of this yourself. Okay, so I'll see you guys again in the evening session. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye for now.